again to our video lesson in Science 7 with me, Ma'am Ann. How are you today? How do you feel? Have you checked already your weekly health monitoring checklist? If yes, then good. Always remember our health protocol. Always wash your hands, wear your face mask, and keep distance. Now, if you're ready, choose the most comfortable seat wherever you are and fasten your seatbelt, for we are going to start.
Lesson, we will learn about waves, its characteristics and classification for quarter 3 and week 4. For today's objectives, at the end of this lesson, learners will be able to infer that waves carry energy and differentiate transverse from longitudinal and mechanical from electromagnetic waves.
What can you say about these two kids? Yes, they are waving their hands. Observe how their palms move. How do you call that motion?
In science, we call this as vibration. So what is a vibration, class? It is a repeated motion and produced by a back and forth or up and down movement of an object, just like in the picture. Vibration also is the source of all waves. So what is a wave, class? A wave is a traveling disturbance that carries energy from one place to another with or without a medium. Is a medium, class? A medium is a substance or material that carries the wave. It is where also the waves travel. Try to look at this slinky toy. Have you tried playing this one? If we stretch it, it will assume an equilibrium or rest position. However, when the first coil of the slinky is repeatedly moved from the left to right, it will start to move. This creates a disturbance that travels from one end of the slinky to the other. Example, which is the medium? You're correct. It is the slinky. It is where the disturbance or the wave travel. So that is medium now. Do you know that waves can be categorized into according to the presence or absence of medium? Number 1, we have mechanical wave. And second, we have electromagnetic wave. So what is a mechanical wave? It requires a medium to propagate. It includes sound wave. Another one, water waves. And also, waves formed from a rope. On the other hand, when wave does not require a medium to propagate, it is called as electromagnetic wave. Again, electromagnetic wave does not require a medium to propagate. Some examples of electromagnetic wave are radio waves, visible light, X-rays, and gamma rays. These electromagnetic waves are arranged according to their frequency. Waves can also be classified into two, according to the direction of the motion of the vibrating particle, such as transverse, longitudinal, and surface wave. So what is a transverse wave? A transverse wave is a wave in which particles of the medium move in a direction perpendicular to the direction where the wave moves. Parts of transverse wave we have crest, which is the highest point of the wave, and trough, which is the lowest point of the wave. Take a look at this picture. You can see here the crest and the trough.
The hand moves up and down, as does the slinky, but the wave itself moves from left to right, so the particles vibrate at 90 degrees to the direction that the energy is moving. We consider
Wave. Another one we have longitudinal wave. It is a wave in which particles of the medium move in a direction parallel to the direction where the wave moves. So we have the parts of this longitudinal wave. First, we have the compression, where the particles are closer together. Second, we have rarefaction, where the particles are spread apart.
first. This is where the particles vibrate parallel to the direction in which the wave of energy is travelling. Notice that the ends of the slinky don't leave the hands holding them. It's only the energy that travels. The places where the coils or particles are bunched together are called compressions. Where they are furthest apart are called rarefactions. An example of longitudinal waves is sound. When a drum is struck, the drum skin vibrates, which causes the air particles next to it to vibrate. This causes the next air particle to vibrate, then the next, and so on until the vibration reaches the ear, causing the eardrum to vibrate. The vibrating air speeds away from the source, creating a sound wave.
Now we have surface wave. This is a wave in which the particles of the medium undergo a circular motion. In other words, this is a combination of transverse and longitudinal wave. To sum up, class, a wave is a traveling disturbance that carries energy from one place to another, with or without a medium. Wave can be categorized into two, according to the presence or absence of the medium. These are mechanical and electromagnetic wave. Wave also can be classified based on the direction of the motion of the vibrating particles. These are transversal, longitudinal, and surface wave. Let us try what you've learned today. Take a pause and answer this activity. This activity is entitled Fill Me In. What you have to do is to complete the sentence by putting the right word or words on the blank. Let us check your answers. For number 1 to 10, we have the following answers. And that ends our today's video lesson class. I hope you've learned a lot today. Always remember to stay at home and keep safe.